Assalamu alaikum. This is the message for all the global professionals because after delivering thousand training sessions, I just evaluated fully with a very strong voting actually during my sessions. I normally ask to all of my students one of the important question. Do you have your personal development plan? And especially in writing, but unfortunately I would say 99.99%, even I don't remember if I found even a single one who gonna say yes, I have my all personal development plans or future plans in writing, including my goals, vision, and what exactly I'm going to do in my life. It's not like that life is too short. I mean, whatever your plans are, is there is no harm to write somewhere and creating an action plan. Okay, to achieve this goal, these are the small steps. Like I mostly mention, no need to eat directly the whole elephant, but you can chop it up and gradually, things will come in your control with the blessings of dear Allah, inshallah. So what I mean is, if you don't have your personal development plan, then that means you have nothing. There is no aim, there is no vision, there is no strategy you have for your personal development. So of course it's hard for you to decide your direction, and this is how our youth is distracted, because for them it's really hard to decide which field is more profitable and beneficial for them, and it's really hard for them to understand their passion also, in which field they believe they'll be more successful and happy, and will be doing a lot of good things for the community, including their own country. On the other side, if I ask to the professional, do you have your some of the plans within your company, then everybody gonna say yes, I work in sales, I have sales plan. Somebody gonna say I'm a project manager, I have project plans. A lot of plans are there. Somebody gonna say I'm working in a training department, I have training plans. I'm working in an auditing department, I have auditing plan. I work in HR, so I have recruitment plan. But when I ask, do you have your personal development plan in writing somewhere in your even laptop or somewhere in your computer or somewhere in your mobile, trust me, maximum, even all of them, always the answer is no, we don't have. That means for others you have bonanza of plans, but for your development you have nothing. And if you don't have your personal development plans, like for your educational plan, for your financial plan, for your personal business development plan, or on the other side your personal uh, even the family plan, there is no harm to create some plans, even though everything is in the hand of Allah. I mean, we don't know about unpredicted unfortunately the unforeseen scenes in our life, because life is really unpredictable, and you never know what is going to happen in your next moment. So but still it doesn't mean that we should just blindly go on and there is no need of any plan. So this is the today's message, and I'm sure, especially our university students are after that, because I have a bonanza of students, globally. So I always realized the biggest problem with all of them is nobody have any plan in writing, or that is why they are not confirm. I mean, they are not formed actually in which field or which direction they have to move on. So this is the whole message. I hope it will give you the benefit. Thank you very much, and trust in Allah, trust and believe in yourself. Go with confidence, be bold. Life is full of opportunities. It's your energy how you move on, and never be negative. Try your level best to save your positive